Remove all headrests using a bradawl. Take off the anti-kick covers. Verify the alignment of the front seat cover with the airbag label. Unzip and slide the seat cover onto the front seat. Thread the headrest buckles through the cover. Insert the cover into the gap. Utilize the plastic tool to tuck the leather on the sides into the gap along the seat. Guide the cords of the 3 buckles from the front seat cover to the back. Insert the original anti-kick pad into the seat cover. Securely fasten the 3 cords with the corresponding buckles. Ensure a tight connection of the seat cover Velcro. Attach the hooks to the elastic straps, following the strapping steps. Affix the elastics at the bottom of the seat using metal hooks. Install the headrest cover and adhere to the Velcro. Drape the long rear seat cover over the car seat. Insert the buckle rope into the gap behind the backrest. Connect and secure the 3 hanging buckle ropes with the corresponding buckles. Lift the seat and ensure the Velcro adheres tightly to the bottom of the seat. Place the short rear seat cover over the car seat. Insert the buckle rope into the gap behind the backrest. Lift the seat and ensure the Velcro adheres tightly to the bottom of the seat. Reinstall the headrest onto the seat, aligning it with the headrest pole. Cover the central armrest box with the armrest box cover and tidy up.